Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. We're excited to share with you the latest developments in the world of science and technology. We hope you find our content informative and enjoyable. We all know that insects are fascinating creatures with incredible abilities. But what if we could combine their natural talents with advanced technology? That's exactly what Kenjiro Fukuda and his team at Japan's Riken Thin-Film Device Laboratory are doing. They're creating cyborg cockroaches by attaching 3D printed sensors to live Madagascar hissing cockroaches. These tiny backpack-like sensors contain solar panels, Bluetooth connectivity, and specialized computers that send impulses to direct the cockroaches' movements. Fukuda envisions these cyborg cockroaches being used in emergency situations like earthquakes, where survivors might be trapped and hard to locate. These remote-controlled cockroaches, equipped with carbon dioxide sensors and cameras on their backs, could be released into rubble to help find people who need saving. But not everyone is excited about the idea of cyborg insects. Animal bioethics professor Jeff Sebo worries about the ethical implications of controlling live insects with heavy technology. However, Fukuda is not alone in his quest to create robots inspired by insects. Alper Bozkurt is building robots that mimic the behavior of fireflies. These robots emit colored light during flight and could be used for pollination in vertical farms or even in space. Sawyer Fuller is creating a fly-like robot that could be used for search and rescue missions or detecting chemical leaks in the air. His team is also working on combining parts of live insects with robots to read data in the future. Insects may be small, but their abilities are mighty. By combining their talents with advanced technology, we may be able to create robots that can do things we've never imagined. From search and rescue missions to pollinating crops in space, the possibilities are endless. But as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also consider the ethical implications of our actions. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more great content like this. Thank you for watching.